Come test drive the 2009 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, mud guards, rear window defroster, cruise control, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.